today's vlog. Let's go to the site of Royal Ocean Crest Panglao Dos. So I'm going to show you guys the actual site of condominium that we are sailing right now here in Panglao Island. And after that, we will go to the another place of Panglao Island. So stay tuned on my vlog. And don't forget to click subscribe so that you will notify of my next vlog.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby.
Hello guys, what's up? And welcome again to my vlog, and thank you for subscribing my channel, and please support also my channel. So as of now, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Royal Ocean Crest Panglao Dos, the second project of primary homes na kundo dito sa Panglao Island. And ito na po ang building. So kung sino pang hindi naka-invest guys, please send me a message if you are interested, para ma-assist ko kayo sa mga questions nyo about this project. So welcome to Royal Ocean Crest Panglao Dos. So we are not allowed to go inside while the construction is ongoing. So let's take a video or picture outside of the building. This is the progress of Royal Ocean Crest Panglao 2. This is the building E. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa site. Located siya sa Dao Dawis, Panglao Island, Bohol. At ano guys, pinakamalapit lang dito yung Bee Farm Resort at Bohol Shore Resort. So walking distance lang siya. So kung sino naka-invest dito guys, so ito na ang condo na pinaghirapan yung mag-invest dito. Done here guys. Malapit lang dito ang Bee Farm, so papunta kami sa Bee Farm kasi mag-order kami doon ng ice cream. Grabe ang init ngayon, so magtambay muna kami doon sa Bee Farm, then maybe we are going to Panglao later kasi Sunday ngayon, so gala-gala muna.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh,
Na-feel ko na ang uhaw, guys. Kailangan ko ng something na malamig sa aking lalamunan.
baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh,
Kahit ilang beses na akong nakabalik dito sa bee farm, guys, parang amaze na amaze pa rin ako sa ganda sa bee farm. Nakaka-relax kasi yung mga design nila. Then from here makikita natin yung crane sa Royal Ocean Crest. Diyan ang crane, or makikita natin ang dito, mula dito sa bee farm makikita natin dito ang building pag matapos na siya. Yan ang crane. Ayan, so malapit lang siya, walking distance lang siya. Then accessible din siya sa beach kung gusto nyong maligo. Ayan. So this is the beach, and makikita niyo parang doon, guys, pantalan o pier. Basta yan yung makikita natin dyan. Yan ang access beach sa Royal Ocean Crest, kasi dyan banda ang entrance niya. Doon kasi Barangay Road yan, straight yan yung makikita yan. So dito sa may bee farm banda sa likod yan siya, sa may exit part, kasi malaki kasi ang Royal Ocean Crest. Ayan. So mag-order muna kami ng ice cream. Picture taking muna kami dito at nag-video. Then mag-relax muna kami.
Gino ko. Hindi man po ako yung bibili. Ayaw mo nang bumibili. Anong ganito lang, tikwa kasi ba?
Let's go, let's go.
Kuya, wag porma ni mo diha, Lin. Kuya, kay kag porma diha. Oh, no lifeguard on duty ra ba kuno, oh? Mahugi ka diha, wala bay lifeguard. Ilan mga perlas.
Saan po, ma'am?
Di man ko mahilig og pearl good eh.
Mga tunay lahat yan, mga magpapaudin lang siya, ma'am. Mga pelas yan. Papaudin pa yan. Kahit sinusunog pa yan, ma'am. Galing dito yan sa dagat.
Di pasa kuya. Kay dili ko mahilig og pearl.
Pero 100 ang mga hikaw, ma'am.
Nindot siya. Ato sa salain. Salamat ha. Nahalinan ka?
Tama yan, ma'am. Tira.
May palit lagi.
Oo, sa karyos.
Ah, may na lang.
Itong gasolina, ma'am.
Amo na yung sakinan? Ah. Nindot kayo diri magtambay sa bee farm guys. Labi na karong orasa sunset. Nindot kayo diri kay hangin, nindot ang view, dagat, mga bato, nature kayo ihang view. So sorry mo diri guys kung wala pa mo kasuroy. Our ice cream. Mine is ubi. Ano man na imo? Green? My cousin, Jumalin. Organic na siya ang ice cream. Mostly diri sa bee farm, mga organic na ilang mga food diri. So bye-bye guys. Hope na-enjoy kayo sa vlog namin today. Abangan nyo ang susunod pa na vlog ko. Thank you for supporting and thank you for subscribing. Shout out pala sa nag-subscribe sa mga videos ko or sa vlog ko. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.